Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So all this is with read receipts is when you get the blue ticks next to a message, so it shows you the person that you've read the message. So if you want to turn this off, just open up WhatsApp, click on the three dots on the top right hand side, then go into settings. Once you're on here, you should see privacy near the top, so just tap on that. And then in the middle, you should see read receipts. So this will just let you know, if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So if you're happy with that, all you need to do is obviously just toggle that off, and that'll turn off read receipts for you on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.